Hello everyone. In this video, Elon and his crew took down a tree that was right next to the house. The homeowner wanted it removed to allow more sunlight into the yard, helping the Bermuda grass grow properly. Elon used his mini skid steer to pull the tree toward the road using a strong, sturdy rope. Since traffic was light, they didn't have to worry about any cars coming by. They managed to chip and clean up the entire tree away from the road in under 20 minutes. For the cleanup, they used the clue log grapple attachment on the Vermeer mini skid steer to efficiently grab and transport large volumes of branches. The grapple provided strong grip and precise control, allowing them to move debris quickly with minimal manual labor. The tree had a dense canopy with a significant number of limbs, but the Vermeer wood chipper handled everything with ease. Its high-capacity feed system and powerful engine allowed them to chip the material without any clogging or downtime, making the cleanup fast, smooth, and highly efficient. So the next day, Elon came back to finish up. With the tree already down, it was time to pull out that Myrtle Creek root and grind the big stump right next to it. The homeowner had previously tried various methods to kill this stump, but small shoots kept sprouting back consistently. This stump was deeply embedded, about 18 to 24 inches down, making removal a real challenge. To tackle it, Elon used his blue diamond stump bucket to carefully dig around and loosen the root system and surrounding soil. By excavating to that depth, he was able to effectively free the stump and successfully extract this stubborn root mass in one piece. After successfully extracting the stump, he had to clear out the remaining debris still lodged on the teeth of the stump bucket. Once that was done, he used the tip of the bucket to lightly grade the area, smoothing out the ground to create a more level path. This made it easier to access the next stump and ensured the machine was on stable, even ground for a more efficient and controlled grind. Before tackling the next stump, Elon used a rake and shovel to remove as many of the surrounding landscape rocks as possible. This step is critical because even small rocks can quickly dull or chip the teeth on a stump grinder. The cutting teeth are designed for wood, not stone, so contact with rocks can cause excessive wear, reduce grinding efficiency, and lead to costly repairs. Taking the time to clear the area helps protect the equipment and ensures a smoother, more effective grind. While it can be a tedious and time-consuming process, taking the extra steps is often necessary to ensure the job is done thoroughly and safely. Sometimes, going above and beyond isn't just about finishing the task, it's about achieving the best possible outcome for the customer and preserving the integrity of our equipment and work. The homeowner also requested the removal of a shrub located right next to the house. Elon initially began using the stump bucket to carefully dig around the base, making sure to avoid contact with the foundation or siding. However, due to the limited space and the risk of causing damage, he opted to switch techniques. He attached a chain to the stump and used the machine to pull it out manually. This method provided more control and minimized the risk to nearby structures. Now that he successfully removed the shrubs and wrestled out those stubborn little stumps, it's time to reinstall the edging blocks. They shifted during the extraction process, probably trying to escape the chaos. But no worries, he's putting them right back where they belong, like well-behaved landscape elements. After all the work he's done so far, clearing out the shrubs, cleaning up the area, it's finally time to grind the stump and wrap up this part of the project. This Industrial Series mini skid steer hydraulic stump grinder attachment makes light work of those pesky stumps. It's a great choice for tough-to-reach spots, whether you're dealing with stumps in a backyard or out in a wooded area. In addition, this mini stump grinder is built for performance and convenience, coming fully equipped with hydraulic hoses, couplers, and a pistol grip control harness kit. Its adjustable cutting wheel angle allows you to tackle stumps of all shapes and sizes, and with multiple mounting options available, it can easily adapt to different loader interfaces. Powered by a hydraulic motor rated for 7 to 14 gallons per minute of flow, this attachment is engineered for serious work. The motor also features a high-pressure seal to maximize performance and extend its life. And when the job's done, a built-in hydraulic brake quickly stops the cutting wheel, giving you both safety and control at your fingertips. Antonio, the homeowner, decided to jump in and lend a hand with the cleanup. It's not every day you see a client rolling up their sleeves, but his help definitely made a difference. After all the stump grinding and debris flying everywhere, having that extra set of hands helped speed things up and probably saved a few steps on the pedometer too. Let's just say, teamwork was the unexpected hero of the day. He fired up his electric leaf blower, quiet but surprisingly powerful, and went to town clearing out all the leftover debris from the yard. Leaves, wood chips, sawdust. If it wasn't nailed down, it was flying. It looked like a reverse tornado in action. Meanwhile, Yilan was standing by with the dump trailer, ready to scoop up the mess like a cleanup ninja. With one blasting and the other hauling, they turned what looked like a post-apocalyptic wood chip zone into a clean, ready-to-go yard. Teamwork at its finest, and with way less back pain involved.
So we've got this retaining wall fixed. Took care of the stump, just grounded the stump low enough. We're gonna add some more rocks later on. And I forgot my hammer out there. Gotta buy a couple more blocks. And that takes care of the whole tree here. I didn't take videos yesterday from the tree that was here, but that's it.
After completing the initial project, Yilan returned to the same client's property to take on a more extensive backyard improvement. This time, the scope of work included the complete removal of the existing, worn-out fence. Once the old structure was taken down, he installed a brand new, high-quality fence, providing not only improved functionality, but also a cleaner, more polished look to the yard. In addition to the fencing work, he also removed a large shrub that was obstructing part of the yard and contributing to an overgrown appearance. To help the homeowner reclaim and better utilize their outdoor space, Yilan cleared out various unwanted items and backyard debris, leaving the area much cleaner and more open. This project wasn't just about upgrading the fence, it was about giving the entire backyard a fresh start. The client was thrilled with the transformation, and we're proud to have delivered another job that blends precision, professionalism, and attention to detail. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this project from start to finish. We hope you found it as rewarding and inspiring as we did. If you enjoy seeing real-life transformations, hands-on craftsmanship, and behind-the-scenes looks at what goes into our work, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming projects. We've got plenty more to share with you. Your support means a lot and helps us continue bringing you quality content every week. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.